You're not too late. Let's talk about it. Please do me a favor. Drop a like on this video. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. One of the most common questions that I get all the time is it too late for me to learn the code? Or it's too late for me to learn the code. I'm past that time. The crazy part is I don't necessarily get this question from people later in their life, like 50s, 60s, 70s. I don't get it from them. I get it from 20-year-olds. I will tell you right now, I've worked with a 23-year-old who's phenomenal. I started learning how to code when I was 30. One of my closest friends made the transition into tech at 46, and I worked with a phenomenal 60-year-old woman who is a front-end developer. You are not too late. You are right on time. Haven't you ever tried to get a piece of fruit and it's just too early? It's not right. It's coming into its season. You're coming into your season. Whenever you decide to start to code, that is the perfect time to start learning. It is absolutely possible for you to learn how to code. It is absolutely possible for you to make software, websites, programs. All of that is within the realm of reality. The only thing that you need to start doing is starting. I don't care what platform you start on. I don't care if it's Free Code Camp. I don't care if it's Codecademy. I don't care where you start. I just care that you start. The only thing I want you to do is, if you have the itch, if you have the eagerness to learn how to code, just get on freecodecamp.org right now and just do at least one exercise. The reason why I say that is inspiration has an expiration. You may want to do something today that you may not have on your mind next week, but if you start making the habits now, you are more likely to stay with that process. Someone became a developer at 18, someone else became a developer at 50. Leonardo DiCaprio got his first acting job at the age of 5. Samuel L. Jackson didn't get his first starting role until he was 40. You aren't late. You are right on time. I can't wait to see what new levels you reach. Don't worry about what any doubts you may have. Just jump into this field and let's see what happens. At the very least, you're going to learn something new, and best case scenario, you're going to have a brand new career to welcome yourself into. I am excited for all the possible progress that you can make. I could talk about stuff like this all day, but I want you to check out my other videos. So check out my other videos, and I will see you on the next one.